Are you frequently tormented by itchy, inflamed patches on your skin? Feel like you exhausted all your options to find relief? What if we told you the remedy might be as simple as reaching into your pantry or fridge? Hives, also known as urticaria, can be a persistent and irritating problem. But today we're here to share 15 at-home treatments, plus a surprising bonus to help manage your symptoms. So, ready to trade in your discomfort for comfort? Keep watching as we unlock the secrets to managing hives from the comfort of your own home. 1. Cold compress. Ever put a cold pack on a swollen injury? The same idea applies to treating hives. Applying a cold compress can constrict blood vessels, reducing inflammation and itching. Wrap ice cubes in a cloth and gently place it on your hives for relief. Remember, don't apply ice directly to your skin to avoid damage. 2. Aloe Vera. You might know aloe vera as the go-to plant for sunburn relief, but its anti-inflammatory and healing properties can also soothe hives. Applying pure aloe vera gel to the affected area can help reduce redness and itchiness. 3. Oatmeal Bath. Oatmeal isn't just for breakfast anymore. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and soothing properties, a warm oatmeal bath can provide immediate relief from hives. Just mix finely ground oatmeal into warm water and soak for 20 to 30 minutes. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has been touted for various health benefits, and treating hives is one of them. Its antihistamine properties can help soothe the skin and reduce inflammation. Mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into a glass of water and consume it daily. 5. Green tea. Green tea's powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can help calm down irritated skin from the inside out. A regular cup of green tea might just make a difference in your hives. 6. Witch hazel. This plant extract, commonly found in skincare products, can reduce inflammation and soothe the skin. Apply witch hazel directly to the affected area for some hive relief. 7. Vitamin C. Vitamin C, a natural antihistamine, can help manage hives by reducing inflammation. Incorporate vitamin C-rich foods into your diet or consider a supplement after consulting with a healthcare professional. 8. Quercetin. Quercetin is a flavonoid found in many fruits and vegetables like onions, apples, and berries. It's known to reduce inflammation and work as a natural antihistamine. Regularly including these foods in your diet can help manage your hives. 9. Ginger. Often referred to as the wonder spice, ginger can help relieve hives thanks to its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Adding ginger to your meals or drinking ginger tea can soothe your skin from the inside. 10. Turmeric. Turmeric, another powerful spice, can help treat hives due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Consuming turmeric with black pepper can enhance its absorption in the body, maximizing its effects. 11. Essential oils. Certain essential oils, such as chamomile, lavender, and tea tree oil, can soothe and reduce inflammation. Dilute a few drops in a carrier oil before applying it directly to your hives. 12. Baking soda. A baking soda bath can help soothe itching and reduce inflammation. Just add a cup of baking soda to a warm bath and soak in it for 20 to 30 minutes. 13. Probiotics. Probiotics can balance the gut microbiome and boost your immune system, which can help manage hives. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods into your diet or consider a probiotic supplement after consulting with your doctor. 14. Hydration. Staying well hydrated can help flush toxins from your body, promoting overall skin health and helping manage hives. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. 15. Avoid triggers. Often, hives are a response to specific triggers. It might be certain foods, medications, or even stress. Identifying and avoiding these triggers can prevent hives flare-ups. 16. Acupuncture. As a unique bonus, consider acupuncture. While it's not a home remedy, it's a natural treatment that some people find helpful for hives. Studies have suggested that acupuncture can help alleviate the symptoms of chronic hives. If you're open to trying alternative therapies, this might be worth exploring. Potential drawbacks. While these home remedies can provide relief, it's crucial to understand that they are not definitive cures for hives. Some people might also be allergic to these natural remedies, so it's always recommended to do a patch test before full application. If hives persist for more than a few days or are accompanied by severe symptoms like difficulty breathing, seek immediate medical help. There you have it, 15 home remedies plus a unique bonus to help manage hives. Remember, everyone is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's about exploring options and finding what suits you best. If hives continue to be a problem, professional medical advice is a must. We hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to share your own experiences or tips in the comments section below. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful health content. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.